Hello and welcome back to another video of DDRP. I'm Dakota.
And I'm Bryson.
Thank you so much for your support in watching these videos, and it means a lot to us. Remember, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. In our last video, we got the car painted.
Woohoo! Big milestone. Yep. So we set about a 3-year plan on this car, and at the halfway point, our goal was to have the car completely tore down and painted. And guess what? We hit that goal. So we're right on track, and now it's time to start putting the car back together. So one of the things that we've got to do is replace all the weather stripping in the car. And so while the car was in the shop getting painted, we had ordered and received a weather stripping kit. Now, this weather stripping kit, we got it from a place called Mopar Mall. And it was an all-in-one kit. It was a little bit expensive, but, it was definitely worth it. And so while the car was in the shop, we started refurbishing all the windows, the vent frame assemblies, and replacing all the weather stripping in there. So we're going to share a little bit of the unboxing of that weather stripping kit. And then we'll show in future videos as we rebuild those vent frame assemblies and window assemblies and clean them all up and get them all working order again. So here it goes.
Alright, so we just got the weather stripping for the Dart, so let's open it.
So I called the place on Friday, and this is only part of the order. The rest of it's coming, will be shipped out this coming Saturday.
These are the cat whiskers. They look so nice.
Much better, huh? That either looks, I think that's the convertible top weather stripping.
It is too.
Yeah.
What's this?
That's the interior door weather stripping. So it's the red piping that goes on the inside.
Oh,
That's the auxiliary weather stripping that goes on the vent frames between the door and the A-pillar.
Oh yeah, the ones that weren't there.
Right.
Yeah. And these ones look like egg.
Those are for the vent windows.
I think this one.
Nope. The top part stands up. There you go.
Oh, that's right. These ones are kind of furry.
Yep, those go on the inside of the door. It's the guide rail for the main window to the front door.
It's like the same thing. Never guide wheel.
That's actually to the door, yes, but it's to the vent frame. It's the long piece that goes all the way down into the door and the vent frame itself. So.
And then bump stops?
Yep. So hood. Those are for the hood.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I don't know what this is.
Different felt pieces. We'll have to figure out what they're for. Hopefully they've got a list in here, an inventory list of what everything is. Yeah, Atlas obsolete parts. Yep. What else you got in there? Those are for the door jams. Like when you first open the door, it goes around the locking mechanism. Kind of looks like a funny part. I think that's the hood cowl.
It's got like
Little clips. Yep.
here. I don't know what this is.
Oh, that actually goes to the glass.
Ah.
So I think this might go to the windshield right here. And then this piece is a chrome piece of trim that goes around the outside of the glass to hold it in place.
Kind of cool. And then here's the other vent fan assembly.
Yep. That should be it. At least that's it in this package. So
Yeah.
let's see if they gave us a inventory list here. So this is just, I think, their advertisement right here, what kind of stuff they do. There's Dart A-body, 66.
And then that's inventory.
Yep. All right, so here's the complete inventory list right here. So we'll just go through and make sure that we've got everything. And you can see that we're still missing the weather strip set for the roof rails. Weather strip set for the header molder. This is for like the convertible top. And the gasket deck lid to profile. So I think that that's for the trunk. So a couple more parts coming on the way. And yes, it was pretty pricey, but this is one of the things where you buy once and cry once. So hopefully we'll never have to replace the weather stripping on this car again, right?
Hopefully.